Hi, Marie from the G Team. I got the camera set up in a different room in my house. It's actually my bedroom. What you're seeing in the camera is my boyfriend's mom and dad's ashes, and this is actually his side of the bed. We're going to see if we can communicate with his mom and dad, and also see if there's any other spirits in my bedroom. Because when I lay down at night, I get creeped out. I feel like something's coming up behind me or whatever. So I'm going to turn the machine on and we'll see what we get. It's Tyler's mom and dad here. Are you guys watching over your son? Are there any other spirits here in my bedroom? Are there no spirits in my bedroom? That's a good thing. I'm going to try the steps in my home. Are there any spirits by these steps? Speak into this black box. Did something happen on these steps? What are you growling at? No. Stop it. Did the sage take all the spirits out of my house? Or at least all the evil spirits? Well, we're not getting much spirit activity in this up right here. Let's walk upstairs. Okay, anything in here? Is that a yes? What is it? Who's in this room? How many spirits in this room? Do the spirits only like the dark? I decorated this room for a little girl. Is it pretty? Do you guys like it? Present? Louie's creeping in all the corners. What'd you say? Did you just say Lou? That's my dog, Lou. Louie. Lulu. Are you Lulu? Lulu, get in the camera. Talking to you. Can you see the spirits, Louie? Oh, Louie, just gonna get into everything. Did the sage send them away? Does sage make the spirits go away? Who's here with me right now? How many spirits are in this room? Ten? Are there 10 spirits here? When I saged, I wanted all the evil spirits to leave my home. Did they all leave? Only the good spirits are allowed to stay. How many nice spirits here? How many bad spirits are here? Well, I'm going to come back tonight and do some more in this room and see if it's maybe the spirits come out more at night. And see if I get any more. If not, maybe the sage wiped them away. Anybody have anything else to say before I go? All right, well, goodbye. Peace.